smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
A very early start this morning. We don't have accommodation where we're going to, so we want to get there fairly early to get an albergue. It's early. I would say 80% of the albergue have already left. It's 6:45. We're all chasing the few spare beds further down the Camino. Leaving the back of Fromista. There's a steady stream of peregrinos leaving. That's where we're going. So we start the day with a long road walk. But we're beside the road, so not as bad as being on the road. More murals. Leaving this little village, we had a bit of incident in the cafe. The young lady, 2 ahead, she took out an apple out of her rucksack, and the owners of the cafe said, "You can't eat your own food in here, get out." But it was all in Spanish and lots of finger waving. She looked a bit surprised, so we all left. Oh well. When I said it was a road walk, I really meant it. It's a road walk, or more accurately, a path beside the road walk. New village, new church, new stalk. What a beautiful square. All the trees connecting together. Still got Christmas celebrations up. And the stalk sitting proudly. We can smell sheep and pigs and cows, but we've never actually seen them in fields really. I think they're probably all indoors, but there's a big store of feed. We just left that tiny village, and guess what? We're on the path by the road again until we get to the next village. It's not a very tough grading, this section. This is a very small village, about 100 meters, and that's it. Not much around today, a few religious symbols. Today is the day that's the road walk the whole way. Oh, a few trees. This is our penultimate village. I'll have a quick look because the route goes right beside it, not through it. Not everything is a stalk. Sometimes it just gets busy. Good morning. Day 15. Bit of road noise. Yeah, we've struggled to get any accommodation anywhere. And so we're just doing a quick 20k, pretty much all road walk, or beside the road walk, to get to Carrion, where there are two public albergues where you can't book. So first come, first serve. It's 130 beds in total. So we should get something. So that's all we're doing today. And then tomorrow, I've got an assurance from Albergue that as long as I ring them by 2 o'clock, we have accommodation. But yeah, it's just a long road walk. And it's almost over. So let's see where the rest of the day takes us. A few cyclists. This is our final stop for the day. There's a long line of people in front, but hopefully we'll get a bed. We've just come into town as the schools are let out for lunch, I think. Following the kids into town. Quite a hubbub as you come into town. Coming into the public albergue. Place to prayer. So this is our classroom. 6 beds. And we have these two. Down into a park. There's a place for lunch, picnic tables. This is our lunch spot in the public park with lovely tables and a river just over there. It's brilliant. Just a beautiful square. And when you look round, there are people eating and the town hall. It's beautiful. Oh, the carvings. So you have a wall that you're holding up, and on top you get stalks, perfectly framed. This is the entrance to Albergue. I was chatting to somebody else and they said it was actually an old school. From a different angle.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.